So student, what is given here? With a certain cell, a balance point is obtained at, okay. So with a certain cell, a balance point is obtained at 65 centimeter. So L1 is given, we got balance point at what? 65 centimeter. At a certain cell value we don't know, so we will say E1 be what? X volt. From the end of the potentiometer wire, okay. So that means what? From left to right, it's a 65 centimeter. And with another cell, okay, I don't know value of another cell E2, let me what? Y volt, okay, whose EMF differs from the first by 0.1 volt. Matlab what? E2 is, we will say E2 is what? E1, okay, plus 0.1, or we can say E2 is what? E1 minus 0.1, whatever it is. So like that it is given. So E1 minus E2. So indirectly we will say E1 minus E2. The second cell, difference of the first cell. I don't know which cell is what having greater value. Okay. So because balance point is also not given, so we are unable to determine whose value is what more than the first one. It is given, yes, it is given. You can find out here. The balance point is L2 is what? 60 centimeter. So definitely, since what I will write here, since L1 is greater than L2, therefore E1 is all definitely greater than E2. So that means what is given here? E2, sorry, E1 minus E2 is what? 0.1. So that means already I have taken E1 minus 0.1 is what your E2 value. Okay, so that is what E2 is what? E1 minus 0.1, which is what? X minus 0.1 volt is a value of what? E2. Okay, keep aside. So just let us apply, because we have to apply the what? Formula. So according to, so what I need? Required. What I need? E1 also I need, and E2 also I need. Okay. So let me start the solution. Okay, Afrin got the answer, but let me solve Afrin. Solution. So by application of potentiometer, that is the application, no? By application of potentiometer, that is which application? Individual cell method. Okay, according to individual cell method, what you can write, students? E1 upon E2 is what? L1 upon what? L2. Understood? So now what I will do here? I will use what? E1 minus E2. That is what? Dividend rule. E1 minus E2 upon E2 is what? L1 minus L2 upon what? L2. So by which rule? Dividend rule. Okay. So let us put a value. What is E1 minus E2? E1 minus E2 is what? 0.1. E2 I don't know. L1 is how much? L1 minus L2. That is what? 65 minus 60 upon L2 is what? 60. So 65 minus 60 is what? 5. 5 upon 60. So let us apply the what? 0.1 multiply by 50 upon what? 5 is the value of E2. So 5 tens are 50. So 1 volt is the value of E2. Positive 1 volt. Okay, Afrin, you got negative hope. So you have seen, you have given negative answer. What happened? Something is wrong. Okay, sorry. Here it is 60, no? तो यहाँ पे 60 है, तो this is what? 60. Sorry, this is 60. Sorry, I made a mistake. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 12 are. So what's the answer, students? 1.2 volt. Yes. So instead of 60, I made a human error over there. That is what? 50. So it's a 60. Okay. Now we will put E2 over here. So I will get E1. So what is E1, students? Since E1 is what? E2 plus 0.1. E2 is 1.2 plus 0.1 is how much? 1.3 volt. Understood, students? Hope so. This one is very easy numerical and very good. So hope so you understood.